Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I was showing you how to add text to your Facebook post. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is open up the Facebook app. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on what's on your mind at the top of the screen. From here, you want to go ahead and select photo or video. Just click a photo. From here, you want to go ahead and click edit at the top left of that photo. From here, you have lots of different options, but if you want to add text, you want to click the two A's at the top right corner. From here, you can change the font, so I'll go ahead and just type in a word. From here, you can scroll to whatever font you would like. Once you find the right font, you can go to the color wheel at the top left and change the color to whatever you would like. So just have that, click done. And then once you have your lettering, you can go ahead and expand your fingers to make it bigger, or bring your fingers closer to make the word smaller. Once you're done, just click next. And then if you're done with your photo, just click post. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.